Hey there, Ninja. My name is Stephanie Stiavetti and I'm from fearlessfresh.com. So let's talk about the best way to keep carrots fresh. Like, we all know what it's like to have carrots or any other vegetable in the fridge and you find them like a week later and they're like, meh, like they look like they've transformed into vegetable zombies. And carrots in particular can be sad because they were once crispy and crunchy and then you can tie them in a knot and you can almost tie your shoe with them, which is super disappointing. So my favorite way to store carrots is really easy. Basically, keep them in water, right? So carrots are root vegetables. They're the actual root of the plant, right? Like the green part that comes up. And when you keep them in water, they do what roots do, which is absorb water, right? So what I like to do is I cut them into manageable sizes. You can cut them into very small pieces if you want, or you can leave them long if you have a large enough container. And you basically put them in a plastic container with water, cover them with water so they're completely covered, and then close the container and put it in the fridge. And they stay super crispy and super crunchy. And in fact, you can even do this with carrots that have already gone south and gotten all bendy and Gumby-like, right? So if you have like wiggly carrots that you could almost make into a heart shape, you can just put them in a container of ice water, put them in the fridge for a couple hours, and they will go back to being super crispy and super awesome. So that's my trick. It's really easy. You can do this with celery. You can do this with a lot of other things. But the key is, like I said, to make sure that these roots have enough water to maintain their structural integrity, which is what keeps them crispy. Somewhere on this page, you will find a tutorial for how to do this with a step-by-step instruction list. And as always, be sure to visit fearlessfresh.com if you want to become a faster, more creative, more effective home cook. Have a good one.